Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is achievement. 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 Achievement is a noun that refers to something accomplished or successfully completed, often representing a significant task, goal, or milestone. It implies the act of reaching a notable accomplishment through effort and dedication. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Her graduation with honors was a remarkable academic achievement. Why achievement is used in example number 1. Achievement is used to celebrate academic success and accomplishment. Example number 2. The film director's Oscar win was a testament to his creative achievements. Why achievement is used in example number 2. Achievement highlights creative recognition and accomplishments. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.